Good morning, and welcome to your morning affirmations. For this practice together, you can either sit down or lay down. Fully relax your body and allow it to embrace a comfortable position. Today, we will reinforce your worth. You will reconnect with your worth and will realize that your worth is whole and complete at all times. If you were to give a circle without the beginning or without the end, would you be able to take a piece of a circle? Just like the circle shape, your self-worth is all around you. Nobody and nothing can take it away. It is your birthright. Words are powerful. Use the words from today's affirmations and take them away in your mind and in your heart. I am worthy. I am capable. I am strong and deserving. I am worthy of the very best in life, and now I lovingly allow myself to accept it. I accept myself. I am worthy of a wonderful life. I am beautiful inside out. I am worthy of all the good things. I am worthy of love and respect. I am worthy to receive the abundance that is flowing towards me. I am worthy and deserving of setting and maintaining boundaries that serve me. I believe I am worthy. I am worthy of my dreams and goals. I am worthy of respect. I am worthy of healing. I am worthy with peace. And I'm open to accept it. I am worthy of everything good in life. I deserve to be happy. I am worthy of an amazing and blissful life. I am worthy of all my dreams. Today, I embrace that I am worthy of getting what I want and what I need. worthy of infinite and never-ending compassion. I am attracting all things good because I am worthy. I accept myself and I am worthy of a wonderful life. I am worthy enough to follow my dreams and to manifest my desires. I am worthy. I accept all the abundance that is entering my life right now. I was born to be successful and abundant in all areas of my life. I choose to learn, grow, and expand every single day. I am worthy of love. There is nothing that can change that. I was born worthy. I give myself permission to speak up. I am worthy. I complete me. I am whole. I am happy. I am healthy. I am loved. I am secure. I am positive. I am blessed. I am abundant. I am confident. I am courageous. I am excited about today. I am worthy. I am strong. I am enough. I am unique. I am empowered to make all the good choices. I am me. I am responsible for my emotions and feelings. I am worthy of a wonderful life. I am worthy of all the good things. I am worthy of a beautiful life. I am worthy just because I am, and that is my birthright. I am worthy of my own love.